Thank you so much. And thank you, Bill, for those incredibly kind words. And thank you, Research America and the Gunn Foundation for this wonderful award. I humbly accept it amongst amazing peers that are also being awarded tonight. And I also accept it on behalf of our entire MMRF team and the many partners that work with us every single day. As Bill said, I was diagnosed with multiple myeloma in 1996. At the time, I was 37, a wife, the mom of a little one-year-old girl, and in the height of my career in the pharmaceutical industry. I had actually worked at Merck and then at Searle. And I have to tell you, when they gave me the dismal statistics and said, Kathy, we're sorry, but this disease is fatal, and you will probably only live 3 years, my life just pretty much stopped. And it got a little bit worse than that, because when you work in the pharmaceutical industry, your first instinct is to go look in the pipeline and say, okay, it's an uncommon cancer, but there must be something going on. And I did, and there was hardly anything. As a matter of fact, they offered me melphalan and prednisone, the same treatments that had been offered my grandfather when he had multiple myeloma decades before me. So you can imagine, at 37, with so little going on in disease, I remember calling my sister and saying, you know, I'm a fighter, but I don't have a lot to fight with here. This is a tough one. But I decided to start the MMRF to jumpstart research, and I truly had just one goal, and it was a little bit selfish. As a mom, I just hoped that if I jump-started research, I'd live long enough that my one-year-old daughter might remember that she had a mom. It is 15 years later, and thanks to an unbelievable community, a community of scientists, doctors, the government, industry, and a smart patient advocacy group that writes the strategic plan with all the partners, we've seen unbelievable progress. And the progress comes from collaborative research. So, as Bill was mentioning, together the MMRF did build a tissue bank, and it houses thousands of samples for our scientists to use. And together we decided to work with the Broad and TGen and everyone to sequence the myeloma genome and publish that in Nature, as well as putting it into the public domain in a portal. And together we built a clinical network that has conducted 50 trials of 25 drugs, and we've shown we can open our trials 60% faster than if pharma does it alone. Together with FDA, we have seen 6 drugs approved in myeloma, and we've more than doubled the lifespan from 7, 8, numbers are catching up to us, it could be 9 at this point in this disease. And for all of us who work in oncology, we actually know getting numbers like that, it's unheard of, unprecedented, and unbelievable. But it's not enough. Because every morning I wake up to emails and phone calls from patients who have relapsed, run out of options, and they are dying. Our disease is still fatal. I know we have to do more, not just in myeloma, but across all cancers. Because 1 in 3 of us will be diagnosed, and 1 in 4 of us will die of this disease. But the time is now to start finding these cures, and the time is now to get funding up and build even more collaborations. In all of my years, decades of working in healthcare, I've never, ever, ever seen a moment like this, where technology's booming. Look around us. You've got genomic sequencing, Lee Hood's work in systems biology. You have companies innovating. I just came back from Janssen's global meeting. We can't wait to get our hands on the drugs in their pipeline. Same with so many companies that are here tonight. And most importantly, patients are engaging, because we're talking to them and educating them and saying to them, it's your tissue, your data, your trial, your life. Get involved. And if you look around this room tonight, it only gets better, because there are so many amazing leaders in this room tonight at the NIH, at NCI, at FDA, at every pharma company, that know money is tight and we have to risk share and work together. Every morning, I wake up and I realize how lucky I am. Yes, I've been through a stem cell transplant, and I've been on nearly every myeloma treatment, but what I've gotten. That little 1-year-old girl is now a 19-year-old sophomore at Boston College. And the son I never expected to have is a junior in high school. And I have seen every at-bat, every no-hitter, every soccer game. And when I hear a story, just like I heard tonight about Sam, it makes me know just how lucky I am. My life has been joyful, and I wish every cancer patient the joys I've seen, not the obstacles we've overcome. Now is the time. Research will find us cures. Collaborative research will find them so much faster. So thank you, Research America, for this award, for the amazing work you do, and thanks to all of you for everything you've done and everything we will do together. Thank you.